last but not least, I wanted to say that from the beginning. So last but not least, in the category of large cities and towns, well, we will now welcome the first winner, the winner. So it's not a town, it's nor a city, but a district of 34 communities with more than 315,000 inhabitants. It's the largest in our competition, which makes it one of the largest districts in Lower Saxony. More than 80,000 distributed, more than 8,000 distributed power generation sites, so 8,000, are already in use, but it's not their only focus there, as they aim to cover all aspects of the regional energy system. So I'll please welcome Mr. Michael Lebresman, head of the district of Osnabrück.
Good evening. I'm very honored to be here today. Thank you all for recognizing the Energy Action Plan of the Landkreis Osnabrück, worthy of this award. We are here today in a very international company. So first of all, I'd like to shortly introduce the administrative district Landkreis Osnabrück to you. Which you just heard. It is a mainly rural region in Germany with 350,000 people living there. We have strong medium-sized businesses, a few global players, and a low unemployment rate around 4%. Right behind me, you will see some impressions of the region. I admit I was a bit stunned after learning that we are not only nominated for, but given this award. That clearly means we are on the right way. In 2012, the region of Osnabrück was recognized as a member of the National Master Plan 100% Climate Protection Program. This group of 19 communities have been promoted by the German government to maintain and improve its efforts. We plan on achieving our aim of 100% renewable in 2030. Right now, we already reached 40% of electrical power. 100% renewables require regional strategies and actions. Even more so, since our national framework is getting more difficult. So we outline the future challenges in long-term scenarios. And for our climate initiative, we rely on a holistic approach. From the very small issues to the big ones, like building our own wind farms. Currently, we have more than 50 projects in progress. Mainly, we work on 4 category groups. First of all, there's the planning level, in specific, the land use planning. I just give you an example. When a new building area is planned, we implement codes of sustainable homes. Combined heat and power systems or geothermal energy also play a role. The same applies to the development of industrial areas. The second, there's the energy transfer. We have existing industrial areas where industry produces a lot of unused heat. To connect them with others in need of energy, we're developing, for example, the heat cataster. Third, there's the wide area of energy saving. For example, we have various consulting services on building refurbishment and offer incentive programs for substituting old heating systems. Last but not least, there's the energy production. Let's just look at wind energy. It's one of the most significant renewable energy sources for electricity generation worldwide. For the Landkreis Osnabrück, it presents one of the most attractive opportunities for achieving 100% renewables. So, we'll be investing in wind farms over the next decade. One is for certain. We couldn't do all this without the support of the people and the enterprises in the district of Osnabrück. I would also like to acknowledge the team of our climate initiative for their hard work on the project. Without them, we wouldn't have won this award. Thank you very much. We also have strong allies on the community level, such as our neighbor region, Steinfurt, or city of Osnabrück. Thank you for working with us. The same goes to our national partner, the Institute of Distributed Energy. Dear ladies and gentlemen, the transition to energy autonomy will change the way economy works. We all can't just be observers, but have to be the designers of this transition. This event today shows something very clear. The European regions don't ask, can it be done, but they say, here's how to do it. And the RES Champions League is a great opportunity to learn from each other. Thank you for your attention.